the things that I've gone through. Many things I didn't deserve, unwarranted and absurd, but by the grace of God I made it through. So I remember, but it won't get me down. It's a reminder of the peace I found. Yes, I remember so that I stay on track. That time is over and I won't go back. I accepted the bare minimum. Didn't get much, but it was some. Don't judge me, I just wanted to be